So now we will move on to the practical part. I will show you some examples. I'm going to show you really examples of how to perform fundamental operations in Xero cloud accounting system. We are going to look at a demo global company. And I'm going to show you Xero dashboard, as I mentioned at the beginning. I'm going to show you Xero business performance overview function. I'm going to show you how to process purchase invoices, how to raise and send customer sales invoices, how to issue customer quotes in Xero. We are going to look at bank reconciliations. I'm going to show you a couple of examples. And then finally, we are going to have a few words about integration of Xero and e-commerce. So let's move on and take a look at the practical examples. I'm going to stop sharing for a second, and we are going to switch to the example in Xero. Okay, you should see my screen now and the dashboard of the demo global company. I'll just take a quick look because I can see a couple of questions in the box. Okay, so we can go through them later. I just thought it may be something related to what we are talking about. Okay, so that's what you see when you log into your company in Xero. That's called a dashboard. So on the dashboard is flexible and customizable, so you can change it, you can remove some things from it, you can add some things to it. But what you can see at the moment is the most common layout. So here you can see your main current bank account, you can see your cash balance, your statement balance as per your bank account, you can see your statement balance, your balance in the books in Xero. So as you can see, there is a difference. So some reconciliations are required. And this is telling you, I'll go back for a second because we won't be looking at the bank reconciliations now. So it is telling you that there are 27 items to reconcile. So definitely this is something you need to look at. Then you can add any other bank accounts that you hold in the for your business, and they can be showed on the dashboard. So here you have a quick snapshot of your cash situation. So how much is your spending, how much is your how much money you earned, how much money you spent. This is a very high level overview. You can add some expense accounts to watch on the dashboard. So for instance, you spend a lot on advertising. You want to have a closer look at the entertainment expenses. So you can add them to the dashboard, and once an expense is posted, it will pop up here. And obviously you can drill down from any part of this dashboard into the details. So for instance, you can see, oh God, I spent over 9,000 on advertising this year. What is that? You click on the figure and the system will take you to the detailed list of transactions. So here you can see the transactions split by month. Okay, you can see that in October, you spent a lot. You drill down again, and you are having a look, what did I spend the money on? And you can see there are 2 transactions. And again, you can drill down even deeper into them and see what exactly the invoice was. Here we are at the very bottom section. We are in the invoice insert. You can see what it was, how much you spent on what, and so on. So from the dashboard, again, you can drill down to any section and see more detailed information. In this section, you can see the summary of invoices that are owed to you. So your sales invoices unpaid by your customers. You have 2 drafts, you have 10 invoices awaiting payment, and 9 are overdue. So that means something is wrong. You can see in red, it is even highlighted in red, 9 invoices for 1,000 worth 1,000 or 9,000 altogether are overdue. That's definitely something we need to look at. So you can drill down into here and see what's going on. Okay, so this customer didn't pay for this invoice. It is long overdue. They should have paid in November. I need to take action, okay? So this is how you can, from the top level, you can drill down to the bottom and see what's going on in your business. In this section, you can see bills you need to pay. Bills are purchase invoices in Xero. Invoices are sales invoices. This is how they differ between the two, how they differentiate between the two. You can see that in terms of supplier bills, you have 12 awaiting payment and 10 are overdue. So again, there is an issue here. So you haven't paid to your suppliers in quite a substantial amount, because from the total, from the 8,000 in total, 6,000 are overdue. Again, you can drill down and see what's happening here, what you didn't pay, what you need to pay as soon as possible. You can see that this one from the 7th of October, it's long overdue, so probably you should pay this one in the first, as soon as possible, okay? And what do we have? We can also add expense claims. So if you are claiming any money from the business, you can add the summary to the dashboard as well. And as I said, you can edit the dashboard. If you click on here, you can hide items. You don't want to see this one, so you hide it, save changes, and you don't see it in the dashboard anymore. Okay, so that was the dashboard.